An object moves in a straight line such that its displacement relative to a fixed point O at time t is given by s is equal to t cubed minus 5t squared plus 6t. Find its position relative to O at t equals 1 and t equals 4. So what we want is to evaluate s of 1, which is going to give me 1 cubed, take away 5 times 1 squared, plus 6 times 1, which is 1, take away 5, add 6, giving me 2 meters. And in part 2, we want to do s of 4, which is going to be 4 cubed, take away 5 times 4 squared, plus 6 times 4. Let's just get the calculator out to do that. So we've got 4 cubed, take away 5 times 16, add 24, and that gives me 8 meters. We now want to find the time, or the times, at which the object is at O. In other words, that's when s equals 0. So that gives me t cubed minus 5t squared plus 6t is equal to 0. So we've got t squared minus 5t plus 6 is equal to 0. And we can factorize this into t minus 2 and t minus 3. So that gives me t is 0, 2, or 3.